I'm Kendal,
And I'm Kelidy.
and we're the interns at MetaSpace.
Today we're going to be making ice cream in a bag.
Watch this video to follow along and make it yourself.
Let's go!
Before we get into showing you guys how to make your own ice cream in a bag, we're going to get into the science behind how this cool experiment works. The science behind how this experiment works is all about the salt in our outside bag. So the salt that we add to our ice lowers the melting point of the ice, just like how the salt on the roads in winter does. Now, because it makes it so that way the ice has to be colder in order to melt, it means that the ice has to absorb more heat from its surroundings to melt. And in this case, the surroundings is our bag of ice cream ingredients. So our ice and salt take away heat from the ice cream ingredients, making our ice cream ingredients freeze. Now, shaking also helps this along because it gives the ice cream the chance to have a more even freeze because it's moving the warmer ice cream mixture to the outside of the bag so it can be closer to the ice for it to freeze.
So for making our ice cream, you're going to want some gallon-sized Ziploc bags. About 3 would work well. You're going to want some ice to shake your ice cream in. You're going to want some salt. We got special ice cream salt, but really any rock salt works well. You're going to want some white granulated sugar, some vanilla extract, and then some half and half milk. But if you are lactose intolerant, you can also make this with almond milk and a bit of honey. And then you're going to want whatever toppings you want for your ice cream. So we have chocolate sauce, caramel sauce, strawberry sauce, whipped cream, and then also dairy-free whipped cream. And then we have all different kinds of sprinkles. And then marshmallows.
The first thing we will do is take 1 gallon bag and add in the ingredients that will actually be making the ice cream. So the first thing you're going to add in is a half a cup of half and half. If you wanted a dairy-free option, instead of doing half and half, you can do half a cup of almond milk with a tablespoon of honey. After you add in one of those options, you will need a half teaspoon of vanilla extract and then a tablespoon of sugar. Once you have this all in the bag, you want to make it really tight so that nothing leaks. And mix it up a little bit. You can use your hands, you can shake it, wherever you want. Just make sure all those ingredients are all mixed up. So, once you made your ice cream bag, we're going to take another gallon bag and make the ice bag. So you want to grab some ice. We're using a scooper, not that big, just about 3 scoops. Not a whole lot of ice, but a good amount. Like this. And then you want to add in the salt. We're using around a 1/3 cup. It does not have to be exact. You just want roughly a 1/3 of a cup. Like so. And add it into the ice. Then, once you have this bag, we can mix up a little bit if you want, but we are going to take our bag with ice cream ingredients and stick it inside of the bag with the ice. Like so. And then zip this up really tight. Once your bag is secure, a pro tip is you might want to add a 1/3 gallon bag over this one. Not always, but sometimes the ice will be sharp and cut through the bag and you don't really want any leaking. So if you want to be extra safe, especially if you're doing this inside, much fun was it to make ice cream like that?
So much fun.
We hope that you guys had fun too.
Join us again next time.